For lesson 12, we're going to talk about place value through the trillions, and we're also going to look at some multi-step problems. So let's start with place value. Place value is just the value of each position for each number. Okay. So we have our ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, millions, okay, and then we go to billions and trillions. Notice that every set has three numbers. Okay. In our one set, we have ones, tens, and hundreds. Okay. Then we go into our thousands. We have thousands or 1,000s, 10,000s, 100,000s. Millions, we have millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. So for every set, we have our ones, tens, and hundreds. Okay. Then we go into a new set. So in the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 0, 0, which digit is in the 10 millions place? So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to start on the right of the number and just work your way to the left. Okay? So this is my ones, thousands, millions. Okay? And this would be billions. Okay? So each set of commas is a new group. So I have my ones, thousands, millions. Now once I'm in my million spot, I look at my 1 million, 10 millions, 100 millions. Okay, I want to know my 10 millions, so 1, 10 million. So 5 is in my 10 millions place. So if I look at the number in example 2, what is the place value for digit 4? Okay. So here's my 4. So it's in ones, thousands, million. So it's in the thousands. If we look at, remember, ones, tens, hundreds, it's in the 1,000s place value, so we can say it's in the thousands place. Now, when to use commas, I already touched a little bit about it, but each new set. So, and remember, it's every third number, after every third number. Okay. So, we have to start on the right, we have ones, tens, hundreds, and then we're going to put a comma. Okay? And then 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Comma. Millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, comma. Billions, trillions, 10 billions, 100 billions, comma. And we're into the trillions. Now, some people do it left to right, and if we end up with a number like this, okay, we would be messed up and our commas wouldn't be in the right spots. Remember, right to left after every third number. Now it says use words to write the number 1024305. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my number, I'm going to write it a little bigger here. I'm going to put my commas in, and then I kind of have an idea of the place values and where words will go. Okay? So I'll go 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Now when I'm writing, I'm going to start left and work my way right to write what these are. So in millions, I have 1 million. Okay. Then I say this whole thing in thousands. So I have no 100,000, I have 2 10,000s. But when I'm actually going to say it, I'm going to say 24,000s. So I have 1 million, 24,000. And I say that 305. Okay, we write it just how we say it. We break it up into our millions, thousands, and our ones. Okay. So now it says use digits to write the number 1,250 billion. Now a good way to do this so you make sure you get all your place values is start on the right side. I'm going to draw lines for however many place values I need. So there's our ones, thousands, millions, billions, and trillions. Okay? So now, wherever I start, I need to fill everything in going to the right. So it says number 1 trillion. Okay, so I'm going to put a 1 in the trillion spot, which would be right here. Okay? 250 billion. Well, billions is next, so I just write 250 in the billion spot. Now that's it. So I can't just leave it like that. I have to fill everything in to the right. So this is going to get filled in with just zeros, because there's nothing there, but we need to hold those place values. So my answer would be 1, 250, 000, 000, 000, 000, 000. Okay? So if you struggle with place value, draw lines for each place value that you need. Now remember in math that we have 4 operations of arithmetic. We have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay? We only have those 4. That's only 4 operations we have in math. Okay? And just to remember what answers are, when we add it's a sum, answer when we subtract is a difference, when we multiply it's a product, and when we divide it's a quotient. So I want to know what is the difference. So now I know I'm going to subtract, so I'm going to put a subtraction sign between the product of 6 and 4. You take 6, product means multiply. Now I need to put that in parentheses, okay, so that we follow order of operations. This is between the product of 6 and 4 and the sum of 6 and 4. Okay, so I'm going to take 6 times 4, I'm going to take 6 plus 4, and then I'm going to subtract those answers. Okay. So when I take 6 times 4, I get 24. Take 6 plus 4, I get 10. When I subtract, I get 14. Okay. Now, we talked a little bit in class about that V pattern. If you're not sure how to do it this way, just know you take 6 times 4, you get 24. Take 6 plus 4, you can get 10, and then you can subtract. You still get the same answer if you do it multiple step problems. Yep. So, just make sure you use those parentheses so that you follow order of operations. There is your practice set. Go ahead and do A, B, C, D, E. Do all of them. Make sure if you have any questions, you bring your questions to class. Make sure you bring your homework, this practice set to class so we can go through it.